Hey guys, let's discuss this problem on volume of a cone. This problem here says if the radius of the base of a cone is half, keeping the height same, what is the ratio of the volume of the reduced cone to that of the original cone? So what you are doing here in this problem, you are changing the radius and you are changing it to the half of the original radius. So let's represent original radius as RO and let's represent after changing it such as I. Now this radius is half of this radius. Our original radius is RO and our reduced radius, I am saying this as RI. This is getting half of this and we are keeping the height as it is. So what I am trying to say here, HI is equal to the original height but radius reduced to the half of the original radius. Now let's calculate volume in both the cases and after that we will take the ratio of both of them. Now reduced volume will be 1/3 of pi Ri square and Hi. So here Vi will be 1/3 of pi. What is the value of Ri? Value of Ri is Ro divided by 2. Value of Hi is Ho. Now Vi is equal to 1/3 of pi R0 square divided by 4 H0 and this is equal to pi 1/3 of pi R0 square H0 divided by 4. And our original volume is 1/3 of pi R0 square H0. Now what you will do, you need to take the ratio of induced cone to the original cone, which means you need to take the ratio of Vi is to Vo. So here this is 1/3 of pi R0 square into H0 divided by 4 divided by 1/3 of pi R0 square into H0. So here this and this will cancel out and you will get the ratio as 1:4. Because this 4 in the denominator, this 4 in the denominator which is in the numerator will come in the denominator of this ratio of Vi is to V0 which is 1/4. You must be facing these problems where the ratio of radius and height is given or radius and slant height is given and you need to calculate the volume, so that you can easily do by using the same methods. First what you will write what you have been given and then you will take the ratio by using the formula of volume of a cone or cylinder, whatever have been asked in the question. So I really hope there should be no doubt in the solution. You can easily solve these kind of problems now. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.